through the grass, where the quiet things grow, where the wind tells stories only soft hearts know.
There was a boy who ran through tall grass, chasing shadows and sunlight, his small hands brushing wildflowers. The earth beneath his feet was soft and warm, and the trees watched over him like old friends. Almost every day after school, he'd finish his homework and wander outside, soaking up the sunshine when the weather was kind. There was a favorite place in the quiet woods behind his house, a place where he wandered into wonder. But today was different. The boy's heart was heavy. School had been hard. This day he ran, not just for play, but to find his very favorite place in the quiet woods, the one special spot that always made him feel better when he was sad, or upset, or confused. It was beside a big old oak tree that always felt welcoming, as if it had been waiting just for him. Its branches opened wide like arms, and the tree made you feel safe just by being near. There was something magical about that tree. When he arrived, the boy quickly sat down beneath it, closed his eyes, and let the hush of the woods hold him. He tried to let the day drift away. When,
"Rest here, little one. I am right here and ready to listen."
Did you say something?
I am right here and ready to listen. Even the smallest sorrows deserve shade.
I just needed somewhere quiet.
Then you found the right place.
and so began a friendship that stretched through seasons, a boy and a tree. He believed in the tree's quiet magic, and the tree, in its own way, believed in him. Speaking in quiet moments, growing together in laughter, tears, and time. Through scraped knees and first heartbreaks, the boy returned. And the tree, rooted in patience, offered wisdom in whispers.
I messed up today. I wish I could fix it.
Ah, mistakes are like fallen leaves. They feed the soil for something new.
Sometimes don't feel like I fit in.
You're not meant to blend in. You're meant to bloom in your own way.
The boy asked about love. He asked about fear, about why leaves fall. The boy came often, sometimes with a book, sometimes with a question, sometimes with nothing but silence. He read stories beneath the branches, sorting through feelings he didn't yet have words for.
Sometimes I feel my mind gets stuck on what might go wrong.
Ah, but worry is a waste of the imagination.
And somehow, the tree helped him understand. When his heart was heavy, not with anything too big, just the kind of sadness children carry when the world feels a little too loud, he came to the tree. As the boy grew, the tree sensed a change. One quiet morning, he came to say goodbye.
I'm headed to college in the city. I'll miss you.
And so the boy left.
You must go and grow in your own way. I'll be here, always.
The tree stood in the still of the forest, but its heart, if trees have hearts, ached like autumn. It was a hard winter for the old tree, not because of snow or storm, but because the boy had stopped coming around. Seasons came and went. Spring bloomed without the boy's laughter. Summer passed without his footsteps. Autumn fell without questions. Time writes its story in seasons, but belief is what keeps the pages alive. Once they believed in each other's magic. Now, with belief gone, the tree's quiet magic dimmed. One day, after many seasons, the boy, now a man, returned. He had inherited his childhood home and came back to live in the house where he had once been a boy. The walls once again held echoes of lullabies and laughter because he wasn't alone. His young daughter, curious and full of wonder, tiptoed through the same grass he once ran through. He took his daughter to his favorite place, the woods he had explored when he was a boy.
This is the spot I wanted you to see. This tree. I used to come here every day. I talked to it. I thought it answered me.
It does. I like it here. I feel like it knows me.
And so, beneath the same branches where a boy once whispered his dreams,
Ah,
a new voice took root. The tree was no longer waiting, it was happy again. Some friendships never fade. Some magic waits patiently in the roots. And sometimes, the love we plant blooms again in the hearts of those we raise.
I walked through the grass where the quiet things grow, where the wind tells stories only soft hearts know. There under an old tree with its arms open wide, I felt something waiting deep down inside. Its branches were whispering the secrets of time, of a child who once sat with a heart like mine. The ground didn't speak, but it knew my name, and the tree glowed gently just the same. The ground between us is gentle and true. It listens in silence, it carries us through. If you sit for a moment and let it go through, you'll hear quiet truths in the hush of the new. Seasons may change and the years may fly, but the roots remember and the leaves still fly by. So come take a breath, let your heart be still. The ground will hold you, it always will. Final between us is gentle and true. It listens in silence, it carries us through. If you sit for a moment and let it go through, you'll hear quiet truth in the hush of the new.
rest here, little one. I am right here and ready to listen.